Today it's a very special day because I just got the Joyor T10 and this scooter is surprisingly similar to a G2 Master except it has hydraulic brakes and a 60-volt battery, and we're gonna be unboxing it. How much is it?
I think it's 700 euros this one, and the Master is 800, is 900 and
almost 900 euros.
Yeah.
So basically this is a direct competitor to the KuKirin G2 Master. The price is way smaller, it's only 600 euros, 700 euros or something like that. So yeah, let's get to the unboxing, right?
Very right.
Very right?
Very, very right.
Do the hand, because I'm too lazy to get up from this. There we go. Here we have the charger, probably. Yep. Ooh. What? What is this port?
Ah, yeah, it's a really high quality port. You see, there is metal, so if it gets on fire, the metal is not gonna melt.
Wow. And it's also a 2 amp, and also the cable. Here we have, whoa, hold on. So wait. Besides the manual, which is a pretty big book, the inner tube, we have a spare inner tube.
Yep.
And, bro, what? Yo, this is so cool.
I know.
And it's also a keychain. And we have some reflector things, which I'm not gonna take out. Okay, wow, okay, I'm very impressed. I cannot... Oh, there we go.
Yeah, the plastic white steel.
We had to use a bit of brute force. And now I should take the scooter out.
You're gonna be fine.
Actually, it's not that heavy at all. Wait, actually, look how tiny this is. Okay, I really want to compare it to my G4, honestly. They have a lot of plastic here, which is kind of stuck on the scooter. But... There we go. And how do I unfold this?
Trust me, bro. The unfolding thing was a pain in the ass for me. You see? You have a big red nuke button right here. This is like the safety pin of a grenade.
Yeah.
You just take the safety pin out. Though it is a scooter, it's not gonna explode. Then you crank the clanker.
The clanker.
And then you raise it. Come on. Don't be shy. And now you press on the clanker. Hard.
Hard?
Sorry. Really hard.
What the f...
Told ya. Come on. Come on.
Bro,
Got
what?
the clanker. Come on.
Oh.
That's it. And now you put the safety pin, and this is the scooter folded.
And isn't it like a bit short?
It's not too short because this is adjustable. You have to take this pin out, and it's adjustable to your height.
Hey, this is good. Oh.
You see? I had to get a screwdriver to get it like this.
Okay, actually this is very simple.
Very simple to mount.
Oh, the brakes feel so good.
Hydraulic. Zoom.
Zoom brakes.
Oh,
that's nice. Let's slowly cut this in order to not scratch it. Wow, we do have a pretty big control panel here.
P10, and you have to change it to 0.
Thank you. Alright, now we can test it.
Go for it.
3, 2, 1, go.
50 kilometers.
That-
50 kilometers. It's 50.
That's 50.
49. And only with the back motor. Now turn on dual.
Wow!
77. And look at that sound. In my opinion, it's the best sounding scooter. Come on, just rotate it.
The sound.
The back motor first, and then the front. And then it's just a fighter jet.
Yeah.
That vibrates really bad.
Yeah, it actually vibrates a lot.
Yep. I think he likes it. Are you impressed?
Very impressed.
I told ya.
And also, we forgot about one thing. Okay, so let's talk about some specs, because for this price, the scooter is insane. Like, there's no doubt in that. It's amazing. So, this has a dual 1000 watt motor, 1000 times 2, right? It has a 60 volt battery with 18 amps, hydraulic brakes. So for this price, I think this is the best scooter you can buy because it's only 680 euros. Bro, this is insane, right?
Yeah, no way.
Yeah, no way.
Yeah.
You definitely did not test the exact same scooter.
Oh, absolutely not. First time I see this.
So yeah, we're gonna let this charge. See
you
you
tomorrow.
in the next few days, right?
Next, yeah,
Next few weeks, probably.
no.
No, next few days. So it's the next day. I'm out here with ES, but as you can see, this is a Hollow Knight, not a Joyor. So we have to go and grab the Joyor, and we're gonna ride together on the Hollow Knight, and hopefully we don't die.
Yeah, he's gonna be my sack of potatoes.
Yes, I'm sort of ready.
You don't seem ready from your voice. You seem a bit scared.
I am a bit concerned, I ain't gonna lie.
Look, you have even you have,
Gloves, of course.
This is dual. That's what you know.
What? Only? Oh, okay. Actually,
It doesn't seem that bad, you know.
yeah, it's not like.
But the scooter kind of scared me from 50 kilometers and on.
All right, so we are on the Joyor T10 finally, and this scooter is like a G2 Master killer because the acceleration is so damn good.
Are you happy with your Joyor?
Very happy. It's very strong. Yeah, bro. Wow. Okay. Holy. This shit is so strong. 61. And the brakes are very good as well.
We're going to go to crash bike, you know.
Which is very far away, if you know.
It's far away and it's a big. I don't know what is in crash bike. It's a big.
No one knows what is in Prajna. I'm gonna get hit by the bus. Come on, go. 63 kilometers an hour. 65. Holy. 70 kilometers an hour. Yo, this is so strong. Holy. Oh my god. Bro, how is this so strong? Wow, this is so damn powerful. Holy shit. What is this for? What the fuck? Wait. Where did the S go? Like... We're gonna go back after him. Because I'm genuinely concerned, like, where is this guy? Bro, what happened? I was genuinely concerned.
What?
I was genuinely concerned.
No, I didn't crash into nothing.
But what happened?
I just took the left lane instead of the front lane, and then I was blocked because it was a red light, and there were cars coming. And had to go on the sidewalk and wait for three traffic lights.
I was scared you crashed or something.
Nah, bro, not today. Didn't get hit by a truck, maybe another day.
Not today. Come on, Joyor! Yo! What the fuck? This is so strong! God damn, 66 kilometers an hour. Wow! Wow, this is insane, bro. This is fucking insane. Wow. Someone's coming after us.
If my brakes, you know how hard it is.
Someone's coming. While ES is taking his jacket, we have to stop for a bit and admire this beauty of a scooter. It has dual 1000 watt motor, a 60 volt battery with 18 amps, hydraulic brakes. For this price, this scooter is absolutely insane. Like, in my opinion, it's better than the G2 Master. First of all, because of its price, and second of all, because it's actually faster than the G2 Master. I have no idea how, but I got like 70 kilometers an hour on this, and on my G2 Master I could barely hit 65. The motors are actually very high quality compared to the new G2 Master motors, which, yeah, they actually reduced the quality on. The suspensions are amazing, so honestly I think this is the best purchase you can do.
You know the road to Prajna?
I don't.
What do you mean you don't?
I genuinely don't.
You don't?
Nope. Yeah, we need to go towards Banu Mărăcine.
Yeah, it looks very cool. And you don't, are you friendly?
Come on, bro, wait.
I think he's afraid of the mud.
Yep.
Yeah, he's a street dog, not a mud dog.
Yeah, he has street paws. Street tires. Come on, let's go off-roading. Are you ready?
I'm ready. We're heading to Old Track.
Yep, we have a long road ahead of us.
Remember,
Ow, 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 ow. Ow. Come on, go. Holy shit! 60! I need to brake. I'm gonna die. Oh, the dogs again! Ah! I don't know if it's the right direction. Holy shit! No! My handlebar is going sideways!
Those were playing gorilla tactics.
Bro! Oh wait, my handlebar is going a bit... Oh shit.
Bro, those dogs right there were playing gorilla tactics.
Bro, I'm so glad I caught that on camera.
Man.
Bro, what the fuck was that?
Bro, those dogs are from Vietnam. Like, they came from every single bush. They were applying gorilla tactics.
Nah,
I never saw dogs that were
I'm so... Okay. Let's go.
I never seen dogs that were so...
Bro, how the fuck were they so fast?
I don't know, but they really wanted our ass.
Yep. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh my fucking god. Holy. Oh fuck. Holy fuck. Bro, this is so... Oh my god. 52. 60 kilometers on off-road. 60 kilometers an hour on off-road. Okay. I'm slowing down. Some. Okay, my Joyor is dying. Oh! I almost died. Oh.
That road was amazing.
That was insane.
Did you like the road?
Bro, I went so fast, I got 60 kilometers an hour.
I got 50 kilometers an hour. Look at that. BBS helmet. Your little white helmet deformed. So nice.
Let's go. Let's turn around.
Turn around?
Yeah.
Why? Is there nothing?
Nope.
Is it?
It's just a road.
It's just a road?
And I'm a bit concerned about my battery. Which way is the city?
I think left way.
Yep.
Because right way is just more of old track.
Yep. Oh, we got the KuKirin T10. Can we appreciate the size of this camera? Like HD 180p. Oh, satisfying peel.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh,
You messed it up, bro.
Hold on, bro.
Wow, and it's cracked.
it's actually correct?
No,
Yeah.
it's correct.
Eh.
Holy fuck, it's correct. Yep.
How much did you pay for it?
Like 100 lei.
Oh my god.
So that's like 20 euro.
Yeah.
Can you do a wheelie, bro? Nope. That was okay. Oh my god. Okay. Oh holy shit! You actually got it. Yeah. Give me to my scooter. I'm dying.
Mobile transport?
Yes, mobile.
You're again my
Yeah.
stack of potatoes?
Yeah.
Funny. It's really funny meeting your T3.
Oh! Look how tiny this light is compared to your light.
I know.
Like, look how this is a and this is
next to the biggest block.
yeah.
Apparently we found your friends and your T3.
Yeah.
So the road was.
I was not expecting to find my T3 in Prague, but hey, it was fun.
Yeah.
Come on, let's solve.
Now we can say the road was 100% worthwhile.
Mm-hmm.
This road right here, there are a lot of tracks on this road. There is always a police that's waiting at the end of the road right here.
Yep.
And that's all back to the city.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go, 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 go.
Really, really fast. So track can,
So go!
So track doesn't catch up to us.
Go, bro.
What was that? Oh! Oh! My whole entire side, my whole entire
King way.
came off. That was the place sound. That's where the place sound was coming from. Oh man. Oh man. Should we have been fixing this? Two screws that had to screw. I guess. You see, there were two screws that had to be screwed.
No, actually that's wrong. Because if that was true, this shit would have fallen a long
Maybe
time
they
ago.
were loose and we had to tighten them.
Yep, maybe that. But that's a quality issue, bro.
Yeah, that's a big quality issue, Hollow Knight, not gonna lie.
So, this is the end of the video. The question still is, should you buy the Joyor T10? And my honest opinion is, yes. I mean, this scooter is the KuKirin G2 Master killer, first of all. I like it more. I don't know about you, but I like it more.
Kinda.
Second of all, it has so many premium features like hydraulic brakes, dual motor, a 60-volt battery for only 670 euros. That's
insane, right?
It's insane. And also, it's incredibly good on off-road because look, I went with so much dirt and like me, the scooter still looks pretty fresh. So yes, it's definitely worth it. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.
The scooter died completely.
Bro, something exploded inside.
There was something that made a little...
And
then
it died.
It died.
Yep.
Completely. Exactly like this.
Bro, it was a click
It was a click and then completely died.
Yeah.
No warning, nothing.
Nothing.